Here I will show you the function and the minimum reinforcement requirement for plinth beam. However, the specific design parameters may vary depending on structural requirement, local building codes and other factors. First of all, let us describe the function of plinth beam. Number 1. Load distribution. The primary function of plinth beam is to distribute the load from the superstructure like wall, column, etc. to the foundation evenly. Number 2. Prevents differential settlement. Plinth beam helps in reducing differential settlement by providing a continuous rigid support to the wall, thereby minimizing differential movement between adjacent column or wall. Number 3. Lateral load resistance. Plinth beam can also contribute to the overall lateral load resistance of the structure, helping to withstand seismic force or wind loads. Now let us talk about minimum reinforcement in plinth beam. The minimum reinforcement required for a plinth beam depends on various factors such as span of the beam, the magnitude of the loads, the concrete strength, and the structural design consideration. However, a general guidelines for the minimum reinforcement percentage in plinth beam is typically in the range of 0.8% to the 1.5% of the gross area. The reinforcement in the plinth beam consists of both main bars and the distribution bars. The main bars are placed at the bottom of the beam, usually in the tension zone, while the distribution bars are provided above the main bars to ensure proper load transfer and to prevent shear failures. It is important to note that the specific reinforcement requirements should be determined by qualified structural engineer based on the design calculation and the structural analysis of the building. This much for today. Please like and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering.